Hello everyone, welcome to Sentence Diagramming 101. This video is about exercise 4D, which is diagramming absolute phrases. So this is weird. Absolutes are weird. They make terrible clunky sentences, but it is a part of the English language, so we're covering it. We're going to deal with it now, and I'm just going to scoot this up so that we can do all five in one screen. Okay. So let's just get into it. Their anniversary over, Nick and Audrey Spitz go on a European vacation. So we know on, a vacation is a prepositional phrase. It's where they go, so it's going to be an adverb. We know that Nick and Audrey Spitz are our subject, and then they just go, intransitive verb. That means that their anniversary over, is an absolute. It just kind of hovers. So this is why absolutes are funky. But you're like, I don't know, I'll just put it over here because their anniversary is over. I'm going to treat over as an adverbial objective, which we kind of talked about a little bit with the, today, yesterday, tomorrow, because it over is like a state of being, if you will. So you could treat it like an adverbial objective, or if you want, you could just be like over and make it an adverb. Both, kind of convey the meaning there. Also, it's part of an absolute, which means that it's weird anyway. So, yeah. Okay. Now we have a compound subject. So we've got Nick, and then we have Audrey Spitz. Yeah. And then we know we're going to do one of these, and we're going to get a rocket ship. Woo. And then what do? They make my pen die. No, they go, and then where do they go? Oh my goodness, my pen. They go on a vacation. And that is a vacation, and then it's a European vacation. Fancy vacation. Okay. And notice your appositive is on this side of the diagram because it's on this side of the sentence. You just kind of put it off to the right or the left depending on where it shows up, in the syntax or the word order. Okay. Free of plans, the two attend a yacht party. So again, this is going to be our absolute. Two is our subject. What are they doing? They're attending. And what are they attending? A party. Making a yacht and the all adjectives. So again, we've got this weird, like, I don't know, they're like free, and they're free of plans. And then the two, and then what do? They attend, they attend a party. And then it is a party, and it's a yacht party. Of course it is. This is the movie Murder Mystery, in case you haven't seen it, with Adam Sandler and Jennifer Aniston. It's pretty funny. Okay, so the two attend a yacht party. And it's just a regular Steve Doe from there. Okay, Nick's police officer background. He works the man's murder. Again, I hate absolutes because they're like grammatically awkward. Sometimes they're pretty, and other times you're like, oh God, no. But we know we've got he works, and then what is he working? He's working that murder. And then the and man are going to be adjectives. And now I've got, oh God, I've just got background. So what kind of a background? What's Nick's background? I guess I could argue that it's an officer background. And then what kind of officer? It's a police officer background. Yeah, sure. And then what is he doing? He works. And he works what? The murder. He works the murder, and he works the man's murder. Their presence at the party, everyone blamed them for the murder. Prepositional phrase, doesn't matter. This whole mess is an absolute. Everyone blamed them. That's the sentence here. That's what we wanted. But we've got to, kind of deal with this weird, their presence. And it was their presence at the party. But then really the sentence is everyone blamed them. And then they blamed them for the murder. So that's why they got blamed, making it an adverb. Okay. Then we have Nick accuses Charles His wealth and charm bothersome to Nick. So that whole thing at the end there, which if I was editing, I would remove, but whatever. You got some prepositional phrases in there too. But we've got Nick accuses Charles. So this is straight up Steve Doe. So let's deal with that part first. So we've got Nick. He accuses Charles because he thinks Charles is the murderer. Spoilers, maybe that's correct. Okay. His wealth and charm bothersome. Okay, so we've got wealth and charm. And we've got his wealth and charm. So we know we got an and here. So they're joined together. And then his wealth and charm are bothersome. Yeah, I would just be like, this is awful. You sort of felt like that's in a positive, or in a positive. I keep saying a positive, I'm so sorry. Absolute. So his wealth and charm, and then the wealth and charm are bothersome. So that's kind of like a separate idea. Ugh. And then it's bothersome to Nick. Yeah, I would totally rewrite that sentence. But you get the idea. Nick doesn't like the fact that Charles is charming and wealthy. So that is how you deal with absolutes when you have to and you can't revise and make the sentence better. So you have made it through exercise 4D. Yay!